If you want to quickly share a Telegram message with someone else, this video is going to show you exactly how to forward messages on Telegram using your PC. This is a really useful feature when you want to pass along an important update, share a link, or move a message from one chat to another without copying and pasting everything manually. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Telegram on your PC and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once Telegram is open, go to the chat that contains the message you want to forward. This can be a private chat, a group chat, or even a channel as long as the message is visible and available for forwarding. Now, find the exact message you want to send to someone else. It's important to select the right message, especially if the chat contains a lot of conversation. Once you've located it, right-click directly on that message. When you right-click, Telegram will open a menu with several options. From that menu, click Forward. This tells Telegram that you want to send that message to another person or chat instead of replying to it or copying the text manually. After you click Forward, Telegram will bring up your contacts and chats so you can choose where the message should go. Next, search for or select the chat, channel, or contact you want to forward the message to. You can use the search bar if you want to find someone quickly, or you can scroll through your recent chats and select the right destination manually. Take a moment here to make sure you're choosing the correct person or group, because once the message is forwarded, it will be sent to that chat directly. After selecting the destination, review everything one last time, then click Send. Telegram will instantly forward the message to the selected chat. That's all there is to it. The message will appear in the new conversation, and you'll have shared it in just a few clicks. So, to recap, open Telegram on your PC, go to the chat with the message, right-click the message, choose Forward, pick the chat or contact you want, and click Send. It's a fast and easy way to share important information without retyping anything. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Telegram tutorials and other helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.